Hey guys, Evie124 here, and sorry if I'm not looking at the camera. I lost where my hole punch is. This is probably my first video recorded on the Pixel 5, and it's the unboxing and setup of these. I got a Nest Audio. Do you think I have a problem with Google things? Nah, let's get straight into the unboxing. And we're back. After many failed attempts of starting the recording of this video. If you hear a weird beeping sound, I've been hearing that for a little bit too. So, let's just get straight into it. The plastic has been released. Now, how does this open? Oh, interesting. I can, oh, there we go. It opens like that. Oh god, don't touch. There it is. This is a hefty boy. That is why I did it again. I'll be right back after this break. I can still not find the source of the sound, so I will just continue doing this. There it is. It's out of the box now. Underneath we have a let's get started guide and a power cord right here. Power cord. All right. Sweet. Now we got all that out, so we can just shove everything back in here that we don't need and put this box up with all my other Google boxes. I'll figure out where that goes eventually. Alright, so here's the Nest Audio. It's got a white base. And for the setup, I will just do it right here. And I'll grab a random pixel to use, which will be this one. This is the only one I have set up with stuff on it, I mean. Just open my, oh god, that just smacked my monitor. So, this is gonna look awkward for a second. I will pause this so you don't have to see my head. So, we're back. I got the pixel turned on. Let's plug in this Nest Audio. And I feel like I shouldn't be doing the setup from an overhead view, because this isn't vertical. Okay. Yeah, I'll be right back. And we're back in a good recording position. Now, let's plug this in right back here, and it will start turning on. Now, I have my house app open. It's home, and any second now it will pop up saying set up Nest Audio. Don't know why it's telling me to set up a Chromecast Ultra, because there's nothing of the Chromecast Ultra variety for it to set up. Okay.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Choosing my home, and I'm not going to show you that. Not going to leak my address today. Now, Nest Audio. Next. I'm going to ignore that sound. I will find the source of it eventually. Whoa, it's blue. You cannot see the blue on camera, but it is blue. Oh, that was the sound. Yes, that was. This is in my room. Yes, connect to this Wi-Fi network. It's now connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Funsies. I'm gonna take a sip of Coke while I'm waiting. Coca-Cola. Refreshing. Yes, I get the Google Assistant stuff. I've already agreed to that like a million times before. And it's loading again. Yes, I would like to activate voice match. I agree to voice match. Yep, I know it can already recognize my voice. You just keep doing that while I take another sip of some delicious Coca-Cola. Ba-bam. Yes, I'm using YouTube Music. No, I do not want to link radio services. No, I do not want to link video services. Sure, I'll do Duo. Okay, that's set up now. Yep, that looks about right. And now its software is being installed. About 4 minutes left. We will be back after this break. We're back. After a long sip of Coke. So I'm going to learn about the controls on my Nest Audio Focus. Next, play and pause is the center. Change volume is the corners. Mic switch is on the back. And my speaker is ready.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, you've been set up. Good job, you. Now let's try some non-copyrighted sounds. What do I usually use? It's like Fade or something. I completely forgot. Let's find out. Ooh, here it is. Nope, we're not playing on my Pixel 3. We're gonna cast to my bedroom speaker. So that's like half volume. And we're just gonna slowly turn it up. Oh, this is already kind of loud. Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa. Okay, a little loud enough. That was not max volume. Oh my god. Okay. Whoa. It was shaking. Ow. Nope. It's 7:52 p.m. Oh my god, that's loud. Hey Google, volume 50%. We're gonna just go at half volume.
The volume is currently set to 60.
I know what the volume is set to. This is better. Whoa. it sound very good. Okay. So I think that's about all. Yep, that's pause. Yep. Alright, yep. Well, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.